Alright, I'm gonna try and run OpenTDD on this machine down here. I know that the game itself meets the minimum requirements, but I just wanted to give it a shot. So we have a Pentium 2 450 megahertz, an all-64 card at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see this. There's a 100 megabits per second Ethernet card right there, just above the all-64. And then we have a Voodoo 2 right above that. And then an AGP NVIDIA Riva graphics card, which is going into the Voodoo 2 as a 3D accelerator. Because that's, I don't know, I guess that's what the Voodoo 2 is kind of... Now, I don't know what's up with the PCI board there. I guess the Voodoo 2 is just a little bit too tall for the port, but I have no idea. And then we have a 40 gigabyte Western Digital 400 in the front here. And then just the standard burnable CD-ROM, because this is also my burner machine, and then another CD-ROM. I tried using one of my other beige CD-ROMs, this one right here, this TDK, but excuse me. I found out that it wasn't working for whatever reason. Like, it just wouldn't come up in BIOS at all. I tried every single jumper setting, slaving it, cable select. It just wouldn't slave to this master. And I would have liked 2 CD-ROMs in there, so I just went with this configuration. It's a Dell, I think it's a 450, Dell Dimension 450. And I really, really like it. I just got it yesterday. And it's a really nice machine compared to this NEC that I have over here. This was my previous gaming machine, which I'm going to be using for older DOS games now. Since it's got a SYS 6352 in there, I think. I don't know if I've actually put it in yet. Actually, let's find out. If I can get this open without... Come on. Okay. This thing's a pain to get open, as you can see, because it's on a rail, and you have to lift it. There we go. Yeah, so... Yeah, this is just my USB card that I put in. And there's the back there. I've cut myself on this machine numerous times. A lot of blood's been spilled in here. Sacrifice to Bill Gates, as I always say. Anyway, so I'm going to attempt to record and install this at the exact same time, because I don't have a stand or anything to hold this phone up on. That's what I'm recording this on, actually. So it's a pretty zippy machine, so. Alright, so. Download. Sharp water bottle. Okay. This is really quick. I mean, I've used slower machines. I've never had one run this good. Even on my Dell Dimension 24, what is it, a 2400? I can't tell. And then there's a compact Presario right over there, sitting to the left of it. Ignore the HP Pavilion box, because that's what it came in. A relative of mine had a friend who was giving up her old computer, and I just kind of inherited it, so. And then we have a Dell Optiplex right above it, so. And it's finished. So, if we open this up, Okay, and we are finished. Now it's just time to run it. Oh. Hey. I mean, it runs pretty decent. The all-64 card's working well. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. Bye!